Hello friends and welcome to Chapra Filmy Fan. I'm Milan and today I'm going to be reviewing Raat Akeli Hai. रात अकेली है starring कभी कभी लगता है अपनीश भगवान है नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी and Netflix की बेटी Radhika Apte is a murder mystery film, right? That's right. Now, murder mystery is a genre that has been is proven to be a challenge for so many filmmakers. There are very few people that get it right, but I'm happy to say that Raat Akeli Hai scores big on this parameter. It's a really well-made film, and I'll get into it right with the story. Now, the story begins with the patriarch of a family, of a wealthy family, being murdered on his wedding night. Now, you heard me right. There's this creepy dude around 70 odd years old who is marrying a 20 odd something Radhika Apte, and just before things can start looking up for him, he gets murdered. And when he gets murdered, the cops are involved, obviously, and Nawazuddin Siddiqui, headlining the cop, is called in to investigate this murder. Now, he comes in, he starts investigating, and the surface of it, all fingers seem to be pointing towards the new bride, Radhika Apte, right? But as the story progresses, he starts developing a soft corner for her, and that starts complicating things in the way he handles his investigation. How, as the story progresses, he manages to unravel a lot of ulterior motives and just bring everything together in a nice, neat little bow to reveal the killer at the climax is what Raat Akeli Hai is all about. Now, right off the bat, let me tell you that it's a genre that is not easy to do, as I mentioned earlier. Off the top of my mind, there are a few films like Khamosh, directed by Vidhu Vinod Chopra, starring Amol Palekar, Shabana Azmi, and Nasruddin Shah, is one of the best murder mysteries I've ever seen, and it's like one of my all-time favorite films. So films like Khamosh, Tisri Manzil, Shami Kapoor and Asha Parekh, Khiladi with Akshay Kumar. In the Hollywood sector, you have Knives Out, which was last year's release, which was really good, and you have films like Scream and all that also that have contributed to this genre, right? Yeah, so there are very few films. You can get hardly 20-25 films, throughout time who have had some really good murder mysteries. Because what is the payoff in a murder mystery? The payoff is that you as an audience expect to be fooled, right? You should not be able to guess who the murderer is, and when the murderer is finally revealed, it should come as a shock to you. That's the payoff. That's what makes you feel great about watching a murder mystery. I'm happy to say that Raat Akeli Hai did that for me. I was not able to guess who the murderer is, and I'm happy to say that there is a very logical and nice conclusion to the way things are handled in the film. So it's something that you should definitely check out if you're a fan of this genre. Coming to the performances, Nawazuddin Siddiqui, as always, dependent, reliable, and he's the kind of man that, like Irfan Khan, has his own style of portraying characters. Okay, now that's really what works for it. So fans of Nawazuddin Siddiqui will also love him in this role. But for me, the standout performer in this movie is Radhika Apte. This woman never ceases to amaze me. You give her any character and she takes to it like a fish takes to water. And even in this film, she completely hits the ball out of the park, and it's another brilliant performance from her. There, the host of character artists also, like Tigwanshu Dhulia, Aditya Srivastav, and I'm sorry, I'm not able to remember the other names of the other characters, but every character is so nicely fleshed out that you get invested in the lives of these characters, you get invested in the motivations of these characters, and that's exactly what makes Raat Akeli Hai such a wonderful watch. It's so refreshing after such a long time to see a film that comes neatly together. You need to be invested because this film is kind of a slow burn film, right? It's not like things are like constantly happening and it's fast paced and gritty. No, it doesn't fall into that category. It's a film that's a slow burn. You need to give yourself time to understand the characters, understand the motivations, and as the thriller progresses, the payoff, as I said, is rewarding, and that's ultimately what a murder mystery is all about. So I definitely recommend this movie. You can give it a watch. It's available for streaming on Netflix. And if you like this review, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, let me know if there are any other movies that you'd like me to watch. Any language, any genre is fine. I'll be more than happy to get to it. And I'll see you soon with some more great content. Take care and stay safe.